Not seeing any. They're here? We're getting close. Look, see, tide's coming down now. Lose this one. Oh, bring it in. Bring it in right here. Okay, we're good. Woo! All right. Oh, yeah. We're going in.
Good luck.
We are going to use the spear and do the best we can. It's going to be cold, but we'll get the GoPro. I can't say it's very fucking warm. Oh, I need my goggles.
Hang on.
Wait, okay, lock it. Lock it. Where are they? You see them? Straight ahead? 2 o'clock. Oh, fuck, it's cold. Wetsuit, shit, try again.
How was that?
It was cool. The salmon are a little more skittish than I thought to be harpooning them without a wetsuit. I thought I could go in real quick, but
What's Bladen got?
Right here. Look at all these guys.
Just gonna take a video of you in the cabin
In the
with our fearless boater Selkirk putting us on the fish.
Okay, here we go.
Will we get it? Oh! Come on!
Here we go. Are you ready?
Here, bash that head of that fish in.
Good thing we brought our handy dandy.
Oh, this one.
Icebergs in the water.
Icebergs. Oh, that's a good one.
That's a good one to take home. Get the net, get the net. Get the net. I think when we're running into this many icebergs, it means that we're probably too close. Oh, B-Dog with the iceberg. That's right. Let's see him.
Did you walk the way out
Sure, from the glacier.
Couldn't help but get lost in my mind. Send a postcard, send it to my friends. No number, no return address. Walking in the sky keeps falling down. I'm starting to notice a sound. Everything around me hits the ground, and I can't escape it. And I can't escape it. I've been walking out Nothing's around, far away and I can't hear a sound. I'm lost in the lake.